Hi, my name's Lonnie Parker and I'm the editor of Adore Home magazine. As the name suggests, this studio garden shed is clad in Canadian Western Red Cedar VJ cladding. The great thing about it being made from timber is that it's easy to stain or paint to get the desired look you're going for. We've painted this one white and left the windows and doors in a natural cedar finish to give it a rustic farmhouse feel. This is the 10 by 10 size, which is a little over 9 square metres, making it the perfect size for backyards. But it does come in a range of sizes depending on your needs. So this space has been styled as a potting shed, and I love the way in which it doesn't feel like your typical standard shed. This one definitely has a more high-end feel for the discerning customer who wants to match their shed with their own home's interior. It's a beautiful addition to your backyard and will add value to your property. You don't need to worry about security either. There is a lockable colonial style door out the front and 2 large windows, which allows so much natural light through. If you need more natural light, you can even add additional windows or even a skylight.